Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on animated clouds. Thereby you can view the last 24 hours of cloud coverage in a looping animation on the Google Earth application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the settings icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on the map style function and now scroll down to the display settings section and tap on the last option, turn on animated clouds. If you go back, you will be able to discover these animated clouds. Thereby you will be able to see the cloud coverage in the application. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.